Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase engagement with Facebook detailed guide step by step clearly. First, understand identify their interests and preferences. Use Facebook Insights to analyze demographics and engagement patterns. Create engaging, high-quality content tailored to your audience. Mix up your content types, including images, videos, and polls. Post at optimal times when your audience is most active. Encourage interaction by asking open-ended questions in your posts. Respond promptly to comments and messages to foster a sense of community. Utilize Facebook Stories to share behind-the-scenes content. Leverage Facebook Live to connect with your audience in real time. Consider running contests or giveaways to boost participation. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to expand your reach. Use Facebook groups to create a focused community around your brand. Share user-generated content to increase relatability and trust. Monitor your engagement metrics regularly to gauge effectiveness. Adjust your strategy based on what content performs best. Stay consistent in your posting schedule to maintain audience expectations. Experiment with Facebook ads to reach a broader audience. A/B test different types of content to see what resonates. Finally, remember to keep your tone authentic and relatable throughout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.